Hi, I welcome you all in Unfold UPSC. This is Porna. I am an electronics and communication engineer working in TCS for last 7 years as a software code developer, data analyst, planning and coordination team lead. Now I am focusing on UPSC journey. So without further delay, let's start with today's video. In this video, we will discuss about how to make the notes from NCERT. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that I have already made a video regarding basic doubts of NCERT. If you still didn't watch the same, please click on the I button or in the video description. I will share you the link. Please do check it out. Well, first of all, before start note making, please read the syllabus and your PYQ at least twice to thrice. Right? Because unless you do not analyze in which direction UPSC asks the question, you feel that all the steps is important. The thing is that UPSC is not like a school or college level exam. It's not like that. It's like a ocean. So, if you want to deep dive inside the ocean, you should know how to swim in such a big ocean, right? That's why your PYQ and your syllabus that will guide you to swim you properly. I hope you might got the point. Now let's come back to our today's agenda. If you are a first year college student, then don't run behind the notes. You should start the NCERT reading at first and then complete this note making process by 1 year. Next, if you are in the second year, then do the same process by 8 months. And if you are in final year, then complete the same by 4 to 5 months. Okay? Before note making, you should have a basics clarity by reading the NCERT thoroughly and understand the key concept. Do not try to mug up all the stuffs, else you will forget everything within very short span of a time. So focus on your conceptual clarity building, and then try to make the notes. Okay? Now the very important question comes, then how to make the notes? How to make notes? First of all, you should take any subject. Then start with the first chapter of that subject. And in the back of your mind, you try to think and link also the PYQ and the syllabus and check whether it is related with PYQ and syllabus or not. Then try to find all the relevant keyword, any data, facts, maps or any diagrams, etc. and then try to underline those with the pen, and that should be done in your second reading, right? Now in your third reading and in your subsequent reading, mark them with highlighter. And then you should start the note making. And where you have to make the notes? You have to make the notes in A4 sheets. Because if you want to incorporate anything in future, then it will be very easy to incorporate if you use the A4 sheets, or if you do the same process in register, it will be very difficult for you. I hope you have understand my point. One thing here I would like to inform you that if you do not understand what is second reading and the subsequent readings, then please check my earlier videos where the basic doubts of NCERTs has been addressed. Please do check it out. Now let's say if you are reading 40 pages, then try to comprehend them all things by 5 to 6 pages maximum. Okay? So that next time while you revise, then you do not need to open the book. While you note down, then it should not be in the complete sentence. Do not try to write in the complete sentence. You can use keywords, diagrams, flowchart, or any short methods. Else, it will be just like a carbon copy of your book. Right? Another important thing I would also like to mention here, that if you are reading class 11 and class 12 book, since these books are very bulky, so you can make the notes in the book itself by adding some sticky notes, or wherever you will get some free white space inside the book. In book. Also highlight the important points wherever you find, and also highlight the important lines whichever are relevant from UPSC pre and mains perspective. It's my suggestion, rest it depends on you. In general, your polity and in your economy, mostly it's based on concept. So the size of your notes, it might be lesser. Size of your notes, it might be lesser comparatively to the other subject like history. As you know, history, it's a very vast subject, right? So it contains like lots of words, different kinds of struggle, movements, dynasties, backgrounds. So since it contains various kind of words, movements, dynasties and backgrounds, and noted them in the right sequence, you have to follow some sequential orders. So it will take a lots of your pages. That means your note size will be bulkier than your polity and in your economy notes. It is quite obvious those subjects where you are weak, your contents of the notes will be higher, and wherever you are strong, the note size will be lesser. Correct? So in a summary, I would like to say you that you should make the note based on the comments on each subject you have. That means based on your strength and your weakness. I hope it might help you to have a broad overview on how to make the notes from NCERTs on each topics. That's it for today. If you have any queries related to UPSC, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please do like, share the videos among your friends, And to get more UPSC related videos, please do subscribe my channel so that it will boost up my motivation to make more videos in the upcoming week. Thanks for watching. Let's level up your dream with Unfold UPSC. All the very best, my UPSC warriors. Jai Bharat.